Introducing the new 8R and 8RX high horsepower tractors. Your workhorse just got smarter, faster, stronger. Enjoy speed and accuracy with the power of a 9R tractor under the hood. Harness up to 634 horsepower with the maneuverability and visibility of a fixed-frame machine. Unlock an additional 40 horsepower at the top of the power curve with peak power intelligent power management. Welcome to your ultimate planting solution. Experience enhanced efficiency and flexibility as muscle and intelligence converge, allowing you to effortlessly pull heavy, wide implements at faster speeds while optimizing seed placement and fertilizer efficiency during critical windows. Enjoy high horsepower, enhanced visibility, and reduced compaction. The 8R and 8RX high horsepower tractors were designed to turn on a dime. And with 14-hour run times and smart automation, you can spend more time planting. And it's packaged with a new John Deere operator experience that will help you take the next step toward greater automation and personalization designed with your entire fleet in mind. Experience a fresh perspective with a redesigned cab and control. With advanced technologies at your fingertips, like Machine Sync Ready and Autonomy Ready. It's the intersection of power, agility, and experience. The new 8R and 8RX high horsepower tractors. Smarter, faster, stronger. Order yours now.